Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Are you dreaming of a grand entrepreneurial dream and vision? Are your dream and vision stuck in the same rut? Have you been stuck with the same problems and challenges for years? Are you searching day and night for answers to your problems and challenges? If you know the answers, are you having trouble taking action? If you keep on doing what you were doing, you will keep on getting what you had got. If you want to break through this maze, join the IRDM community. My name is Nitin Salkar. I am working as NLP psychotherapist and career intellect coach. My focus is to develop learning and career intellect of students and entrepreneurs. Today's subject is about client segmentation. Do you have high attrition rate of client? Does your client reject your product and service? Does your client bargain for pricing? Does your marketing campaign fails? Do you have low sales closing ratio? Are you confused about who and where is your client? Are you worried that your client prefer competitors' product and service? Are you worried that you don't have community of loyal customers? The simple reason is that you don't identify your client segment. Client or customer is the person who simply buys goods and services from you for his various needs. Clients refer to people who purchase professional services from a business or company to satisfy a need or solve a problem. For example, insurance, coaching class, chartered accountant, lawyers, etc. Customers are people who pay for goods or products from companies or stores without going into a formal business relationship with this establishment. For example, all consumer products. An entrepreneur should aware to whom exactly he has to sell the product or service. For example, an influencer who influences to buy the product or service. A customer who makes the decision and pays money to buy. An end user who actually use product or service. A beneficiary, the person or group who are benefited by actually not buying product or service. For example, donations received to social organizations who caters students or old age people, etc. For your business, this might all be the same person or it could be different persons. Next step is to divide your customer base into smaller groups because each group is having separate needs, problems, and motivations. General categories of client segments are as follows: B2C, selling to individual client; B2B, selling to organizations; B2I, selling to industries; B2G, selling to government. You have to do further micro segmentation of client, such as demographic. It includes age, gender, income, education, occupation, family size, marital status, etc. Psychographic. It includes lifestyle, personality traits, attitudes, values, etc. Geographic. It includes area such as global, pan-India, states, cities, villages, etc. Behavioral. It includes how often they buy, seasonal purchasing, loyalty with you, how we keep relationship with you, etc. Once you decide your client segment, the next step is to design marketing and selling strategy and system as per following type of clients. Suspect. Primarily, you are not aware that every unknown person can become your client or not, hence, he is suspect. Prospect. When you introduce yourself and he agrees to discuss with you, he becomes your prospect. Customer. When he buys your product or service, then he becomes your customer. Loyal customer. When he purchases again and again from you, he becomes your loyal customer. Brand ambassador. When he gives you references, he becomes your brand ambassador. Understanding client segmentation is necessary to build strong brand as it helps you to decide product service creation, upgradation and improvement strategies, pricing strategy, marketing and selling strategy, customer relationship and retention strategy, business scale up strategy, business platform which will generate revenue for you to create an emotional environment for your clients in your organization. If you want to build strong brand, you have to understand new scientific definition of branding. That is, people love to associate with those who resolves their problems and pain points related with their survival and goal. Thank you.
Did you like the subject and the purpose of the channel? Then like the channel. Do you want more information about this? Then subscribe to the channel. There is one beautiful quote. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. If coming together will create harmony and opportunity, then share the channel. If you have any questions or problems, post them on the WhatsApp link in the channel. Answers will be given in brief. Thank you.